Hey guys, Sierra here, and I'm super excited today because guess what? It was recently my birthday and my teenager got me something. Dun dun dun! And she was really excited, so it must be something really good. I have a feeling it's a plant, so this is going to be a live plant unboxing. I'm guessing, but I don't know what kind of plant. All right, so we know this package is coming from Edgar from Plumas, California. And now we're just gonna go ahead and open it. All right. Cut this puppy open. God, what the? Oh my flipping, are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my God, oh my God. No, stop it. Wow, okay. My daughter must have gone into debt for this. Is amazing. My first, wow, my heart's beating really fast. My first variegated Monstera. I cannot believe it. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. And did you see how it was in the box? It was just in here, taped. So it's got some peat moss around the roots and some plastic wrap around the peat moss. And let's check out the root ball here. Let's check out the roots and the nodes. See how those look. So as far as I know, there's two types of Monstera that have variegation. One comes naturally in the wild, it's a mutation, and one that's grown in a lab. And the one that's grown in the lab is the Thai constellation. All right, so it looks like she got this off of Etsy. And we can see right here, it's got a node right there. It looks like the node's doing pretty good, and the plant looks like it's in pretty good shape. So that's great. All right, so I'm gonna go grab some water for it. This leaf got a little bent up, but I think it's gonna be okay. And we're gonna try to propagate this one. Pretty crazy that I got the variegated Monstera. I think this is an Albo Mostera, so that's the one that naturally occurs. It's a natural mutation. And I was a little bit surprised at the way it was packaged. I'm glad it came with the peat moss around the roots. That was great. It was a little bit crazy to me that it was literally just in this box, taped to the bottom with no padding or anything. But it looks good. And you know, the leaf's a little bit droopy and tiny bit bent, but really for being in the mail shipped, it looks great. I could probably keep it on top of some peat moss, which I might do. I find that things tend to root a little faster if they're sitting on top of peat moss, but I will, at least for a little while, just to kind of rehydrate it, put it into a glass container just to start it at least with water propagation. It's probably in shock right now, and so I'm gonna give it a little bit of time to recover. I'm really excited about my new plant, and she didn't want to tell me how much it costs. These guys are really expensive, don't seem to be going down in price. Unfortunately, I thought maybe they would, but they seem to be going up in price, and they're selling out like crazy. So I got my first one. really excited. I'll give you an update soon on growth. We'll kind of watch it together to see how it does. Yeah, cool. Thank you guys so much. And take care. Subscribe, like my channel, both of those things. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.